Hello everyone. Today's tutorial is on creating an engaging All About Me football poster composite quickly and efficiently. First, let's create on the composite project icon and naming our project. After naming it, hit Create. Then, specify your sport composite page size, taking into account the safe area and bleed margins, and proceed by clicking on the Index tab. Next, we import our PSPA file, typically provided by photographers for player pictures. Memento Composite efficiently processes standard PSPA files and those with numerous custom attributes. Let's examine our index file, formatted in Excel. The category for this project is Sport, though this is flexible. In the file name column, we have the player's image, followed by team number, first name, last name, coach's name, position, and an exclude column indicating whether to include the player in the composite. This format can be adjusted to suit different requirements. Returning to Memento Composite, select Import, then import index file, pick your PSPA index file, and click Open. This process brings in all student data, including their photos. For demonstration, we're using cartoon photos with full transparency. Any portrait can be clicked for last-minute edits or photo updates. Let's proceed to the editor. In the editor, add a composite frame and adjust it to the poster page's edges for maximum visual impact. Now, configure the composite frame query by selecting Type, then Sport and IntelliFlow to ensure each portrait gets its own page. In the Portrait Template section, you choose from several pre-made sports templates or use a custom one. I'll demonstrate with a custom template I created for this video, highlighting extensive customization possibilities. Click Edit to go to the portrait editor. In the top left, you can define the template size, add shapes, texts, images, and more to match your team's branding. Our design tool enables masking for shapes and images, and also allows for gradient application on shapes, images, or text. I've incorporated a transparent light ray over the player, adjustable in opacity for varying levels of dramatic impact. Additionally, you can tag any text or image with data from your index file to create a customized visual effect. Back in Layout view, after selecting your portrait template, the final step is to generate the All About Me set. Click on Generate Composite Set. There you go. You've quickly generated 26 unique All About Me templates. You can further personalize any page as needed. Before finalizing, you can exclude certain composites from outputting by pressing the minus icon. To complete, click on Finalize and choose your preferred output format, be it PDF, JPG, PNG, or PSD. Thank you for your time.